Hey y'all, it's Z. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So as you can tell from the title of the video, today's video is a makeup look. I'm just gonna be showing y'all how to do this simple blue cut crease. It's really easy to do. It's nothing too intricate, so anybody can do it. And just to complete the whole look, I threw like this little clip in my hair. I had my hair in some flat twists, so I just took those down and fluffed it out, picked it out a little bit. Shout out to all my natural girls. But yeah, and I threw on this white sort of like frilly off the shoulder top, just to, complete the whole look, even if I'm not going anywhere, because nobody should be going anywhere right now. We should all be in our homes trying to make sure we don't have to be quarantined for any longer than we have to be. But yeah, so make sure you stay tuned to see how I got this look, and I will see y'all in my next video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Okay, so going right in, I of course have one eye already done, just as a template, and I'm going in with the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the darkest blue shade in that palette, and I'm going to just build that color in my crease, sort of using like a half moon swiping motion, and I'm just going to keep building that color until I get the intensity that I like. Now going in with the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's, I'm taking the lightest blue in that palette, and I'm going to blend out the darker blue just to get rid of all the harsh lines that it's created. And yeah, I'm just going to blend that out until I feel the two blues are sort of, blended correctly and it looks seamless. Okay, you guessed it. Now we're moving on to cutting the crease, and I'm using Juvia's Place Shade Stick in the color Luxor. It's like a really light color, so I just use that to cut my crease. And for this particular look, because I will be putting glitter on top of my crease color, I wasn't really concerned about the blue sort of mixing in with the concealer or anything like that. So it's okay if it mixes or the concealer kind of turns blue, because we'll put in glitter on top of it anyway, so it's not like we have an eyeshadow to put on top of it. Okay, now I'm going in with that same dark blue shade that I used earlier from the Masquerade palette, and I'm just going to blend that into the concealer just to make sure everything is all even and looks clean. Okay, so now I'm going in with this glitter glue that I have from Luxe Glam Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the glue and just place it all over my eyelid, of course mostly in the places where I put the concealer, and that's where our glitter will go. I'm going to go in with this silver glitter that I got from Luxe Glam Cosmetics, and I'm going to place that all over my eyelid, and I'm also going to blend the glitter with the blue eyeshadow that I have in my outer corner. Now it's time for lashes and mascara, and I got these lashes from Luxe Glam Cosmetics. They come in a pack of 3. Now I'm going in with this cream contour and correcting palette from NYX, and I'm just taking 2 of the lighter shades in the palette and I'm placing those on all the parts of my face I'd like to highlight. I'm going in with my foundation, which is a Juvia's Place shade stick, and I'm going to place that on all the places in my face that I did not put that highlight color, and I'm going to take a sponge and blend it all in. I like to spray my sponges with some finishing spray before I start blending, just so everything comes out evenly. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Guava Mint Lip Crayon, and I will be using this as a highlighter. I'm just going to swipe that on my cheeks and then blend it out with the brush. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the color Trophy Wife, and I'm putting that on my cheeks as well, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Going in with the same brush I was using earlier, I'm taking Trophy Wife and placing it in my brow bone to give it a little bit of highlight, and I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. To complete the look, I'm going in with this pink lipstick that I got from Ulta. I'm just placing that in the center of my lips and blending it out with my finger. Then I'm going in with this lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store and also putting that on my lips. And then that completes the look. Thank you all for watching. I hope this look was very simple and easy to do, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!